Hi, this is Julie Compton. I'm coming to you live from Dash Aerial Yoga, a wonderful yoga place in downtown Boise that I totally recommend. This was my first day here, and I was thinking while I was upside down about how difficult it is to let go. As a leader, you have to let go often. You have to let go of your people. You have to let go of projects. You have to let go of making quarterly results. There's so much that you need to let go of. And in reality, that's tough to do. Why is it so tough to let go? It's usually because of trust, right? You're having a difficult time trusting your staff, trusting your team, or even trusting the fact that you might be able to get the company where you need it to go. So I suggest for this week's challenge that you think about what is it that's so difficult for you to let go of. For me, being here in aerial yoga, I had a hard time letting go of the ground, letting go of my mat, letting go and trusting the instructor. And what does that feel like when I actually let go and I trust? Some of the results could be improved efficiency, maximizing your team's talent, definitely empowerment of others, and how would you like more time for you to focus on your own work? Let's not forget personal growth and also reduce stress. So how do you let go? Well, number one, the first key is to really learn how to coach others. When you coach other people consistently and often, it helps us stay in touch and feel comfortable with others' pace, with their results, with their progress, with their learning. It's also a protection for ourselves to help us trust others and how they work and in their final product. So we won't be surprised at the end or disappointed when we see the results they've achieved. Depending on our talent, we coach more or coach less, but I'll talk about that in a different video. Meanwhile, it maximizes their potential, which is the goal in the first place. What is the different kind of result that you could get if you actually gave that trust to the people around you? Give it a try today. This is Julie Compton. I hope you have a good time and a good day letting go and letting others do the work.